Hi friends, today we will see how to calculate x raised to the power n using calculator. So friends, let's assume a number, say 2 raised to the power 4. We know the answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals 16. But to solve it on a calculator, what we have to do is do under root of, that is the first step, do under root of 2 12 times. Okay, I will show you how it is done. Then subtract 1, then multiply it with the number which is the power, that is 4. Now add back 1 and now press into equals to 12 times. You will get the answer. So let's see it practically how the same is done. So friends, now we'll see the same practically on this calculator. So we press 2. Now we'll do it's under root 12 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now step 2, subtract 1. Step 3, multiply it with the power, that is 4. Now step 4, add back 1. Now last step, into equals to 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. See friends, the answer we got here is 15.98. that is approximately 16. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and I hope that now you can easily calculate x raised to the power n using calculator. Thank you friends, have a nice day.